Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to all of my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get right into it. We're going to be talking about my Jazzy life. Now, Jazzy. Also, yeah, I didn't even speak on this in a couple videos back. You did a haul. So this is the newest haul that you did. Each one of those dresses, I will say, I loved them on you. The two that I really like was the red one. Red is actually your color. And the pink one, I love the pink one. The pink one was, I love it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I've been noticing that you are over there still, going at it. I'm so glad that, this whole situation with Chrissy and, the guy Bam or whatever is kind of like laying low, because I didn't know if I was going to have to send you know what I'm saying, somebody over there to give you a well check, okay? Because this whole situation that Chrissy was going through, if I didn't know you, I would have thought that it was actually you that he had did this to, So at times it was blowing the shit out of me. I'm like, damn, Jazzy, was you messing with him or was Chrissy messing with him? You or Chrissy? Yeah, so it was, you know what I mean? I'm just so glad I don't have to see them videos of, you being irate and, you fussing at the screen and you screen recording him and your kids in the background crying or whatever. You ain't even worried about your kids. All you worried about is Chrissy, because Chrissy is your best friend, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and say it, and you can get mad at you want. And if the people that are watching this, they can get mad if they want. But what is really going on with you and Chrissy or whatever? Because every time I see Chrissy, mostly, she is with Marcia, Mang, the Bells Plus Ones, the reality of Mang's Mouth. Yeah, she got about a dozen channels. You get what I'm saying? And still nobody really watch her. But anyway, yeah, I mean, it was just crazy. I hopefully, that didn't make you lose even more weight, but most likely the weight that you have lost, I have been seeing you work out, but I do believe that you lost a little bit of weight dealing with this thing that was Chrissy's situation, and you decided to go ahead and react. And the thing that really got me with that was, my girlfriends or whatever, I'm not calling no guy that they talk to or none of that. And they not calling no guy that I talk to. So that was like real childish, real high schoolish, real toddlerish. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, but anyway, Jazz, yeah, like I said, I'm going to give credit where credit is due. Yeah, you looking real good. You can tell in your face, you know what I mean, that you're losing weight. It looks like you are taking care of your skin. I mean, yeah, you look amazing. And also, it looks like you are taking more time with your kids, each and every one of them. And let me commend you on that, because I definitely see it, and I know if I see it, everyone else sees it. You still keeping the house clean. I seen you the other day, you was doing a video, and it was called lit cleaning or something like that. And at first I was confused, because I'm going to tell you, I thought you was getting ready to break out like what Chrissy do with her, her videos and she crawl on the table and stuff like that. I thought that's what you was getting ready to do. And I'm looking, I'm like, Jazz, you better not do that shit. But yeah, you was just dancing in the bathroom, so that's good. I want you to lay low on the movies, you lay low on them until you make yourself really good at it. Because the last video that you did, I mean, the little video thing, like skit, it was okay. But I feel like you could have, did a little bit better. But, I mean, it was okay. I said, Jazzy is just doing everything. She is just, keeping the house clean, spending time with each one of the kids. Also, you have been dressing your kids much better. You have also been taking care of their hair much better. I said, see, Jazzy, that's what I be trying to tell you. Like, I know deep down inside, Jazzy, you got it in you. I mean, I know, girl. I know. And, you know, I love giving credit where credit is due. That's why I say I got to go ahead and, you know what I mean, commend you on this. Because you are doing the thing, okay? Every minute, you got a little tea in your hand. I said, Jazzy is on that best bullshit again. But Jazzy, every time you got to mess it up with something. Now, I know you want your kids to have fun, you know, and play and all of that. But the other day, when you put that video up about the kids, can go home. Okay, so the other day when you decided to go ahead and put that swimming pool out, and I guess the swimming pool was out like in front of your like garage. Yeah, don't do that no more. And that day I'm thinking that you probably didn't even need to work out. Because you said that you had big Tupperware containers that you store stuff in, that you were, you know, putting water in them, I guess going in your house, put water in them, bringing them back down. Okay, and you said that you did that 5 times. Okay, so the kids, you know, they were dressed with their little suits on, looking cute, even though you was looking cute too with your little suit on. You could tell your stomach wasn't out. I mean, you look really, really cute, okay? But Jazzy, the thing that got me was, and y'all already know I'm getting ready to talk about it, Jazzy, why the fuck did you not get your kids a bigger pool and take it over to your mom's house? Since she has a single family home and you don't, you went and got them this pool, which was the size of basically a bathtub rounded out. You would have been better off, because I heard you say you have 2 bathrooms, so you have 2 tubs. So if that's the case, you would have been better off filling the tubs out with water and letting them go ahead and put their bathing suits on and go to town, okay? So I'm looking at the pool, and I'm like, Jazzy cannot be serious. This is blowing the shit out of me. The pool literally had, Jazzy, a tablespoon of water in it. A tablespoon. Maybe 2 tablespoons and a half. Okay? And the thing that really blew my socks off was that, Jazzy, you decided to go ahead and get in the pool with them. I'm looking at the screen like, she gotta be fucking with me. But really, I can't say nothing because she been doing so good. But Jazzy, girl, get them kids a real pool. Or Jazzy, did you go ahead and put that pool out so somebody could go ahead and send you a pool? Is that why you did it? I said, I was happy though, because you had them dressed down in their bathing suit. I said, she better not give them no life jackets to get in this pool. And I just felt, I'm like, if she, one of them come out that house with a life jacket, I am going to put my phone in the toilet. I said, that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I ain't going to be able to take it. I'm not. So, Jazzy, get them kids a pool and take it over your mom's house. Because at one point, I seen one of them jump in the pool, and I'm like, the pool is on cement. I really hope that don't nobody break anything. I mean, yeah. And then the thing that was even more funnier was you said, well, once they get in, the water was going to rise. 2.5 tablespoons of water was not going to rise when them kids got in there. It didn't even rise when you had the nerve to get yourself in there and actually sit. I said, Jazzy, being as though this ain't nothing real bad, I'm going to go ahead and let it slide. But again, Jazzy, get them damn kids a pool and take it over their mom's house. I know you like Walmart, you like Amazon, and it looks like you've been having a little bit of funds to spend. So, girl, go ahead and spend them funds and, get them a pool. Or if not, go ahead and, dry bag. And, I'm sure one of your subscribers will get the pool for you. Okay? They'll probably get you a water hose, too, if you beg about that, too. It is what it is. You might want to look into some water guns and, stuff like that and go ahead and make a registry for them. I'm just so happy, that you are just doing so well for yourself. I'm ecstatic. I just can't believe it. It is like, so, it's just, when I watch you now and the kids are not crying, you're just so peaceful. You know what I mean? All right, let me stop playing, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off this video, whatever. So, thank you to all of my old subscribers. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So until my next video, guys, see you.